What if I told you the future of farming has already arrived, and humans are slowly being replaced? Not in factories, not in offices, but in something far more unexpected: livestock farming. Think about it for a second. The one place we always believed would stay human is now being taken over by machines. Cows milking themselves, robots feeding thousands of animals with perfect precision, drones controlling farms from the sky without a single human command. And the most shocking part? This isn't some experimental future concept. This is happening right now, quietly, silently, without most people even realizing it. Across the world, farms are transforming into fully automated ecosystems. Systems that don't sleep, don't get tired, and don't make human mistakes. And in this video, you're about to discover 7 mind-blowing machines that are not just helping farmers. They're replacing them. And once you see number 1, it might completely change how you look at food forever. But before we go any further, ask yourself this: would you trust a machine to produce, manage, and control the food you eat every single day? Chapter 1: The Farm Without Humans. Imagine a farm where no one wakes up at 4 a.m. No one rushes to feed animals. No one spends hours cleaning barns or checking on livestock, and yet, everything runs perfectly. Not just normally, but flawlessly. Every animal is monitored, every movement is tracked, every need is fulfilled before it even becomes a problem. No delays, no missed tasks, no human exhaustion. This isn't imagination anymore. This is the new reality powered by automation and artificial intelligence. Countries like China are already leading this silent revolution, transforming traditional farms into intelligent, self-operating systems where machines communicate with each other, make decisions instantly, and optimize every single process. Sensors track temperature, movement, health, and behavior, and machines respond in real time without waiting for human input. And slowly, almost invisibly, humans are stepping out of the system. But here's the question that no one is talking about. If robots can do everything faster, better, and more efficiently, then what exactly is left for humans? If this idea already made you pause for a second, hit like right now, because what you're about to see next gets even crazier. Chapter 2: The Cow That Milks Itself. Now let's start with something that sounds completely unreal. A cow that decides when to be milked. No schedule, no farmer guiding it, no pressure. Just the animal making the choice itself. It walks into a machine, stands there calmly, and the entire process begins automatically. The Lely Astronaut A5 makes this possible. Using advanced lasers and 3D imaging, a robotic arm gently locates the cow and performs the milking process with incredible precision, more consistent than any human ever could. But here's where it gets even more insane. This machine doesn't just milk cows. It studies them. It analyzes milk quality in real time, detects early signs of disease before symptoms appear, tracks behavior patterns, and builds a full digital profile for each animal. Every cow becomes data. Every drop becomes information. So think about this. If machines can understand animals better than the humans who raised them, then who is the real farmer now? Tell me honestly, would you trust milk that was never touched by human hands? Chapter 3: The Robot That Feeds Thousands. Now imagine standing inside a massive farm with thousands of animals and being responsible for feeding every single one of them perfectly, every single day. Sounds impossible, right? Because for humans, it is, but not for machines. The Trimatic moves across barns on rails like a silent operator, delivering precise amounts of food customized for each group of animals. Not just approximate, exact, down to the gram. And it doesn't do this once. It repeats the process again and again throughout the day without getting tired, without losing focus, without making a single mistake. While humans struggle to maintain consistency, machines operate at perfection. And this leads to a bigger question. If perfection becomes automated, do humans become obsolete in systems that demand zero error? Share this with someone who still believes humans can't be replaced. Chapter 4: The Robot That Saves Baby Animals. Now this next part is where things become more emotional, because we're talking about life and survival. Baby animals, especially calves, are extremely fragile. They require constant monitoring, precise feeding, and immediate care. One small mistake, one delay, and the consequences can be fatal. But now, machines are stepping into this role. The calf rail duo ensures that every calf receives exactly what it needs, based on its age, condition, and health data. It operates 24/7 without interruption, without distraction, without error. The result is clear, lower mortality rates, faster growth, and stronger livestock. But here's the deeper question that most people ignore. Is this technology truly saving lives? Or is it slowly replacing the natural bond between humans and animals? Would you choose emotional human care or flawless robotic precision? Chapter 5, The Robot That Sees Everything. Now step into a poultry farm, tens of thousands of birds moving together under one roof. From a human perspective, it's chaos. Too much to monitor, too much to control. But for machines, it's just data. The poultry bot moves silently through the environment, scanning every section, detecting abnormalities, identifying sick animals, spotting overcrowding, and even locating dead birds before humans even realize something is wrong. It doesn't just react, it predicts. And that changes everything. Because if machines can predict problems before humans even see them, then who is really in control of the system? Like this video, if this feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Chapter 6, The Invisible Workers. Some of the hardest jobs on a farm are the ones no one wants to talk about. Cleaning waste, maintaining hygiene, and doing repetitive labor every single day. But now, those jobs are disappearing. Machines like Jaws Barney handle cleaning tasks continuously, keeping environments cleaner, reducing disease risk, and improving animal comfort without any human involvement. And then we move outside, into open land, where something even more unbelievable is happening. The Swagbot is capable of guiding and controlling livestock across rough terrain, without a shepherd, without a dog, without human presence. It navigates, observes, and makes decisions in real time. Let that sink in for a second. Machines are now guiding living creatures. So what happens next when machines not only assist, but control? Chapter 7, The Sky and the Ultimate Machine. Now look up, because this transformation isn't limited to the ground. The DJI Agra's T40 operates from the sky, covering massive areas of land in minutes, spraying crops, monitoring conditions, and managing farms with precision that humans simply cannot match. It is fast, efficient, and completely autonomous. But then, we reach something even more advanced. Something that changes everything. The Pro Cleaner X100. This is not just another machine. It is a system. It learns from data, adapts to changes, optimizes its own performance, and connects with the entire farm ecosystem. It doesn't just follow instructions. It makes decisions. And this is where things become real. Because when machines can think, learn, and manage entire systems, then what role do humans play anymore? We just saw 7 machines that are not just assisting farmers, they are replacing them piece by piece. And this is only the beginning. The future is already forming. Farms run entirely by AI, food produced without human hands, and systems that are smarter, faster, and more efficient than the people who created them. So now I want to ask you, which one of these machines shocked you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. If this video made you think differently, hit like, subscribe for more insane tech you won't believe, and share this with someone who still thinks the future is far away. Because the truth is, it's not coming. It's already here.